Hi there, my name is Luke and I'm a BMW Genius here at Keane BMW on the Nace Road in Dublin. You may have seen recently we took a brand new BMW 520d M Sport Saloon and fitted it with the BMW M Performance kit. And underneath the cover here is the finished product. So the M Performance kit contained your high glass black kidney grills, which still maintain the active airstream aerodynamics. Coming to the side of the car, we replaced the 18-inch M double spoke style alloy wheels with 20-inch Y spoke style alloy wheels, which are part of the M Performance kit. And then coming across the side of the car, you'll see we've added the side skirt and the M Performance decal. Coming to the rear of the 5 Series, you can see we have added the high gloss black boot lid spoiler. And coming to the lower part of the bumper, you can see we've added the high gloss black rear diffuser to the lower apron. And all of this combines to really enhance the athletic stance of the BMW 5 Series. This BMW 5 Series is available for immediate delivery from our Nace Road showroom. And if you'd like more information on this car, or to see if your own BMW can avail of the BMW M Performance styling kit, then please do not hesitate to contact us on 01 2405 666, where one of our experienced sales team or after sales team will be glad to help.